Assalamu alaikum. This is Sojib. Welcome to my other new video. In this video, I will share with you about Mr. Jihadul Islam. Most of the people we know about Jihadul. He is doing very great right now. So yes, we can talk about Mr. Jihadul Islam. Actually, from the last 1 year ago, I watched his videos. Yes, his videos quality is amazing, and actually, basically his pronunciation, very accent pronunciation is very good. So when I watched first time this video, so yeah, that time I was surprised because yes, his age is not uh, too much. He is like me, but he is doing great right now. And actually, he has a shop, and I think his father is a farmer, so he is a farmer's son. But right now, he is doing very great. Okay, so right now I can say something about this person. Basically, I like him too much because his English pronunciation, his English journey is very good. So actually, those who are want to learn English, if you want to learn English, then definitely you have to stick with your work. Okay, nothing can be done overnight. It means yes, it's 100% true. Nothing can be done overnight. That's why you have to stick with your work. Right now, this is a pen. This is a note. Always, I'm trying to handy or carry this type of note and pen because I'm always try to note down something. Okay, so you have to learn always. So right now I'm sitting here and I'm studying. So after that I feel that yes, I thinking about that I can make a video because it's my everyday's routine that I will make a lots of videos about celebrity person. Okay, so Jihadul Islam actually is doing great and he lives in Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is a very famous place, famous district to every people. So yes, so far I didn't go there, but definitely if I get any chance, if I get any time, then definitely I will go to visit Cox's Bazar because Cox's Bazar has the largest sea beach in the world. So it's amazing, it's very good. So definitely if I get any chance, then definitely I will go to Cox's Bazar and I will try to meet with Jihadul Islam because you can say that yes, I motivated from Jihadul Islam. Some guys, Jihadul Islam, Jahid brother, Dal Chandra Bormon, that type of peoples, but yes, definitely. Yeah, my thinking is that I will meet with them, inshallah. If Allah wills, then it will be very easy. But if Allah don't wills, then it will be very difficult for me. But inshallah, I will try my best. So I'm always try to learning. And some times ago, I finished my client meeting. So it was a Italian client. So already deal confirmed, and he already sent $60. Deal was that $120, but before work he sent me $50. That means $60. 50%. That means $60. So it was a very incredible time. and I have I included Mr. Jihadul Islam. This is our colleague. We are learning English together. Mr. Mehdi Cares English Learning Platform. So that this meeting was very incredible, because finally our client was so happy for that. So inshallah he will be satisfied with our work, and definitely most of the people, we know that we are right now I'm doing freelancing, that's why I'm learning English, and my dream is that I will be a fluent speaker in 2024, within 2024. This is my dream, that's why I'm hard working right now, and I'm self motivated person, and I'm always try to hard work, and yes, I'm always try to learn new things. So please pray for me, I will pray for everyone. No more today, see you again next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.